Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to the word study lesson for our Congress book. We know that we use syllable patterns to help with reading and spelling. You guys also know that the syllable is a word chunk with one vowel sound. Remember, vowels are A, E, I, O, U, sometimes Y. And we also know that the longer words are composed of syllables, and sometimes they have prefixes, so word part that goes at the beginning, and suffixes, a word part that goes at the end. Let's have a quick look and see all the syllable types that we talk about. The closed syllable, single vowel followed by one or more consonants, like in the word hymn or trash. Open syllable, there is a single vowel at the end of the syllable. The vowel sound will be long. R controlled is any type of syllable that has the R and the vowel is followed by an R. So there is, like in the word hair or shark, E-R-O-R-I-R-U-R. VCE is the vowel consonant E, so final, that we have the E, and that E makes that vowel say its name, like in the word hide. Then we have vowel teams, when you see two vowels working together to make one sound, like in the word hear or lead. And then CLE, consonant LE, when there is that syllable is always at the end of the word, like in the word circle or bubble, right? Consonant LE. So the second syllable in the word circle is CLE, and the second syllable in the word bubble is CLE. Let's look at the three words that we have for today: accuse, arrest, and decide. Okay, let's look at the first one, accuse. Okay, what word? Accuse. The word accuse is a verb that means that you say that somebody did something bad, that somebody did something wrong. Accuse. Okay, let's see how many syllables we have in the word accuse. Ready? Get your hints ready and see how many syllables we have in there. Accuse. Very good. So we have two syllables. We're going to split the word into syllables. We will mark the vowels, and we see that the first one will be the closed syllable, and this one is going to be VCE because we have that vowel consonant E. When I have a VCE word and I want to add my suffix ED and ING, I just need to make sure I drop the E and add those suffixes. So accuse in the past tense will be accused, and in the present tense, accusing. Okay, accuse, what word? Accuse, good. The next word is a verb also, arrest. Let's see how many syllables we have in the word arrest. Ready? Arrest. Very good. So we have two syllables. Again, in this word, we are going to split the word into two syllables. We are going to mark the vowels. We will see that this one is the closed syllable, and then rest is a closed syllable also. So arrest is a verb that means, when there is a police officer, and the police officer can arrest somebody. So if somebody does something wrong, they get accused of a crime, they committed a crime, they're being taken to jail. This is what arrest means, arrest. And the last word is decide. What word? Decide. Very good. Let's see how many syllables we have in the word decide. Ready? Decide. Very good. We're going to split it into syllables again. We will mark the vowels. There's a vowel here and here, so E, I, and E. You guys know that this one will be open, so you can put just O, or you can type the whole word open. And side will be VCE, because we have the vowel consonant E. Decide. And when you decide, it means you look at the facts and the details and you make your own decision. What is best, right? You decide what's best. When you add the suffix ed and ing to the word decide, you're just like in the first word. You drop the e and add ing or ed in past tense, ing in the present tense. And I completely forgot to tell you, when in the word arrest, if you want to put it in the past tense or present tense, you just leave it like it is. Add ed in the past tense and ing in the present tense. This is it for today. Make sure you guys keep up the good work, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.